Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So today is August 22nd. It's about 11 a.m. Eastern here in US. I want to bring you an update on Bitcoin. We are trading at 66.40. So in the previous video I made, I was talking about perhaps we are coming near end of the down channel. The way we were trading and the exhaustion of the sellers, it looked like the lowers that we were making were coming to an end for a lot of the coins, a lot of the altcoins and Bitcoin. So right now what happened is, if you remember, I talked about having this this wedge formation in Bitcoin in this down channel, and in the today's trading we went all the way up to almost 6,900, and that's where we found some resistance, and we had a pullback in today's session. So what I would what will be a good sign for today's session is finishing a little bit stronger than 66.40, and perhaps having a second day follow through and breaking the today's high, which was around 6,900. If we can do that in next 24 hours to 48 hours, that will be really bullish, and it will take us to the next resistance level, which is around 7,200. Okay, now a lot of the things, a lot of the the market, there are some news coming out in the market tomorrow from SEC regarding the ProShare ETF for Bitcoin. So that will make some headline. If we get extended, that might not be a very positive news again. So we will have to just wait and see and look at the market, how it's reacting when the news comes out. But right now, we are out of this wedge formation. That doesn't mean that we're out in the green and everything's going to be nice and rosy again. We still have to monitor this market. It's still very fragile. I cannot just tell you that, hey, it's just going to go up from here on, because it's not giving me any indication like that right now. Only thing that I'm seeing is that we're trying to make steps in the right direction. That's the only thing I can tell you right now, because we got out of this wedge formation. We need to see how this candlestick is going to finish up today, and then what are the follow through for Thursday and Friday. That will be the key indication on if this breakout of the of this wedge formation is it a true breakout toward the upside, or is it just a fake out? Alright, so next 24 to 48 hours will give us that indication on how well we will be getting out of this down channel. Okay, as far as let's say if that scenario doesn't pan out, and if we see if we come below 6,400, then we could really see another testing of that 5,800 level again. So if you see that, it can make this head and shoulder pattern if we break that 5,800 level, and we might find some support, but that can be a scenario as well, as far as the negative scenario goes. All right, because I can see a head and shoulder pattern in this right now, but we have to wait and see. It's not formation. It hasn't formed yet. It could. So that's what I'm saying, that next 24 to 48 hours will be critical on how the price action is reacting to the news and how the overall market is reacting. All right. So just wait and see. You don't have to jump into every trading opportunity. Just wait and see. If you are getting into it, then make sure you're not going with the large positions or using your stop losses. Overall, we're coming near the end of August. August tend to be usually more bullish than bearish. We haven't seen that yet. We're getting there. In the July, I was a little bit more optimistic in July, and with this follow through. But that really didn't work out, and like with this headline news and everything else in the market, we had a sell-off, and now we're trying to like bounce off again and see how it goes through. Usually this later months, August, September, October, November, they tend to be more bullish than bearish in crypto market. Okay, just an FYI, so you know what to expect going into the winter months. Okay, all right, that's all, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, post it in the comment, and we'll go from there. All right, talk to you soon.